You've got leftover rice in the fridge? Wait, don't throw it out. Let me show you how to turn that into a delicious, quick and easy dish.
My grandmother always said, never waste food. So I try not to. In this recipe, which I call noodle rice, all you need is some leftover rice, one pimento chopped, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or oil of your preference, any leftover noodles that you have hiding in the refrigerator that you can boil, 1 cup of frozen mixed vegetables or any type of vegetables that you like, salt and black pepper to taste, and a sprig of celery or 1 leaf of bandhania or culantro or cilantro finely chopped. In a pot, heat some oil. That's the 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or whichever oil that you like. Add the pepper and saute for a couple seconds. Then add in the vegetables. Stir, cover, and cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Keep the flame down to medium to low. Add the rice. Add the cooked noodles, salt, and black pepper, and mix everything well a few times. Sprinkle finely chopped celery or culantro, whatever you have at hand. Give it a good mix and cover until you are ready to serve. If you think it's too dry, you may sprinkle about 3 tablespoons of oil at the end, or better yet, serve it with something like my stewed lentils or any other stewed beans. I served this with my spicy tofu and cucumber slices. If you'd like to see that spicy tofu recipe, check the link down below for more. Give me a thumbs up. It lets me know you like the video. Talk to me in the comments down below. I love hearing from you. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to get the latest videos. I'm Heidi and I'm vegetarian, and this is my journey to self-care and living better than yesterday.